Okay, so I started recording. Okay, so we'll see how the UPS can be configured. Okay, there are a couple of places to configure the UPS. Okay, first we'll go in codes to carriers. Okay, so in the carriers, so these are the carriers we do have. So Canada Purolator. Yeah, this is the major carrier for shipping. Okay, this is the Canada Purolator, DHL, then Federal Express, Purolator, and then UPS. Okay, and then this information, to adding this carrier information, we actually don't have any UI. Okay, so what you need to do, we need to enter them manually. Okay, so these are the root files. Okay, so this is the CARR file. Okay, you can see them, right? CARR file, you can see them. So this file can be copied from here to there, no problem. Okay, you can copy these files. Okay, so we don't have any UI for that, so just it is by the ADIC. Okay, and then so we are going to do UPS. So I put the UPS, and this is the UPS account. Okay, and so this is UPS account. The customer will give it to you. Okay, they will provide you. Okay, you will have to ask customer, okay, what is your UPS account? So then they will give you the UPS account. Okay, and then
this is for which customer?
Reliable Fire. Okay, Reliable Fire. Oh, okay. Yeah, so as this customer was willing to use the API. Okay, so basically there is a two-way we can integrate UPS with Foundation. One is called API, another one is called Worldship program. Okay, that Worldship program is provided by the UPS itself. Okay, you can download. Okay, you can download their Worldship program. That is a desktop application you can download from their site. Okay, then this Worldship program has a field mapper that you can map their field with our field. Okay, so that needs to be done by some kind of, they have an interface that how you can do the import export. The import, then it opens the UI, then you define all the fields. Okay, that is the import. So that means from Foundation you can export some information as a Excel file or CSV file, and then from the UPS you import them. Okay, when you import them, then you process in Worldship program. Okay, after process finish, then you export the information again, and then Foundation do the import again. Okay, that is the Worldship integration. Okay, another integration by the API. So they have a REST API. I think we use SOAP API for them right now. Yeah, because we started long before, so they're still having SOAP API. So what you do, so you just click one button and then it just work everything. So it communicates UPS, send all the information, and then downloads, and the printing the labels, everything it is done. Okay, so if you want to use the UPS API, then you need to create an API account. So I create an API account with the name of Reliable UPS. Okay, and then there is another password, and they provide a key. That key works to communicate with their server. Okay, this is the unique key for this account. So we should be sending this key for every transaction we made. We communicate to UPS. Okay, so that key we put in there. Okay, so this is the major configuration here, and the rest of them are kind of default value settings. Like say the ground is the default settings, package type is a package, billing type is a prepaid. Okay, no signature required, rate type is regular. Okay, so this is kind of regular information settings. And then we have a export directory, which directory will export the CBS file, that is the CUPS export. Okay, and then what kind of paper size, label size they will be using, 4x6, this is the standard. Okay, and then what is the printer name. So this printer name is kind of, you have to copy paste. Okay, you have to go to the control panel and go to the printer, right click and copy the label. Okay, copy the information from there and you paste it here. Okay, and then document image type is ZPL2. So we actually grab ZPL, Zebra programming language or printing language, I guess. So they sent as a ZPL string. Okay, with this string we just send it to the printer and then it can print it. So for our case, so only we support Zebra printer for printing carrier labels. Okay, okay, so this is this configuration. Okay, and then we have to go again, that is not required. Okay, so that is the main information that we do it. Okay, and then we have a configuration, general configuration, then shipping. This is the UPS. So we selected API because they're going to use the API. Okay, and then mapped mood, tracking number on invoice, extended carrier ship import processing, and request address classification. This one we can remove. Okay, address classification is not required for them maybe. And validate ship to address. Okay, so validate ship to address, what it will do before it process the main request. So it will try to validate the shipping address where it's supposed to go. If it finds error in the validation, so then it provides some information. Okay, so it is better to turn on, but it causes a lot of issues. If the address is not right, not perfectly formatted, then it keeps saying address problem, address problem. So for now I just turned it off, but we can talk to the customer to make this thing right. Okay, and then shipping weight should be pound or kg. Okay, so I selected pound, and freight code is shipping charges. Okay, okay, and then nothing, a default BL number to packing slip. I don't know, so they will be printing BOL label or not. Okay, bill of landing. Okay, so this is gone. So okay, so any other, we do have a little configuration per customer. I'll show you. Say there is a charge thing. Charge can be done many different ways. Okay, so especially who is processing, that is we call prepaid. That means the reliable fire is paying the price in advance. Okay, that is called prepaid. So they will be paying all the money, not the customer. They will charge money, they will charge the shipping charge later when they send the invoice to the customer. Okay, in that case customer doesn't get billed from there, but they can, even if the customer needs to be billing rather than the mother company, like say reliable fire, then we have to configure it here. Like say if they are doing UPS, so then what kind of configuration, so charge and other things, so that things needs to be configured here again. Okay,
Okay.
even though there is another called third party, you can also charge third party. Okay, for billing purpose. Okay, so this configuration for reliable is not required, so that should be fine. Okay,
Okay.
now while creating a sales order, so you have to create a sales order with some shipping carrier style. So like I created the sales order with a UPS ground shipping. Okay, let us to make another one. Okay, okay, so what kind of customer they have? Okay, P-A-R-K, Parkdale Baptist Church. Okay, so buyer shipping going UPS ground. It's a item. Cartridge brushing. Unit 1 quantity. It's a item A. Item B. Ooh, what discounts? I don't know why it has come to A. One. Okay.
What is LT here?
Huh?
What is this LT?
LT. ST and LT. Oh, this is service tax and LT. I don't know. These are the tax information.
Okay.
I don't know why it's only A comes, so you add another one. Okay, we added 2 item. Okay, then we save it. So whenever they create a sales order, the ship hire must be selected. Okay, now question comes, the ship hire can be many different ways. So how do we do that? You go carrier and ship hire codes. Okay, so we open, I created one called UPS ground. Okay, so then I created some code UPS 001 UPS ground that I said a major carrier UPS is a carrier UPS and it's a transport type motor and service type ground. Okay, if you want to make another one for UPS, so UPS UPS 02 and then say okay, UPS air, UPS air. Okay, then we select some of them and then save. So this is how we create the carrier ship hire. Okay. Okay, now we have done everything. Now we need to print the label. Okay, so we go sales order, then we go invoicing. Okay, from the invoice screen we go to shipping. I guess we do have another shortcut button, shipping. I don't know from where. Okay, now we select the carrier again, UPS ground prepaid. Okay, now we do have 2 orders here. Okay, so you click order, then you see okay, so it should be like this. We don't have any package. Okay, so yeah, so to create a package, so we can do auto packing. Okay, so like say we say this is the packet type and say auto packing. I'm not sure the auto packing needs, we need to select that. Okay, so then say auto packing and let's see whether it can do auto packing or not. Case pack is not configured for the, so there is a case pack configuration for each and every inventory, so that is not designed, so you cannot add as a auto packing. Okay, so in that case we can do a packing again in our cell. Okay, say we are going to put this item, double this item and this item. Okay, then we say in this pack, these 2 items we'd like to put a 1 pack. Okay,
Okay.
so then you say pack. Item doesn't have the weight associated, packing cancelled. Okay, so then each and every item needs to have a weight. Okay, okay, so this inventory does not have weight. Okay, so we cannot do packing like this way. So then what we can do, we can do a we'll do it with a manual. Okay, so you see that all the length, width, height comes and weight we're gonna write say 50 pound. Okay, then we update. So we got a 1 package here. Okay, so reference say 2 items. Okay, update. Okay, so we have 2 items here. Okay, So before you process, you can try to get rate. So I click the get rate and see that whether we can get rate or not. Get rate. So we didn't get a rate here. What happened? Oh, this is wrong. Let me run this. Okay, because this is the old foundation. I changed something. Where is that? BC8 invac.
So what will be my task? What will be the ultimate task? Like,
so this configuration, I did the configuration also in their server. Now it's time to see that everything is working or not. Okay, because you see that I just tried, couple of things didn't work. There are some information shows up, right? Wait, there is no wait, there is a case not case pack configure. So we need to tell the customer, so these are the things are missing, you cannot process. So then they will be asking how we can do that, right? Okay, so now we are trying to get rate. Okay, so we got a rate, so it requires a $22 freight charge will come. Okay, now we like to process this thing. Okay, so then we say process. Okay, let's do process. Yeah, I'm processing it because I am having a now whole system is configured as a sandbox, so nothing will happen. Okay, missing or invalid ship to address line. Oh come, this. Okay, why ship to address? So then we didn't select the ship to address properly. Let's see, this is the one. Okay, so we are in a bill too, so it doesn't have any address. Okay, so we change it, so because the bill 2 doesn't have any ship to address. Okay, so we change the location in where it will be shipping. Go back again in shipping, then we go UPS ground. Where it has gone? Let's see. No, it didn't process. October 5. Yeah, why that one is gone? I don't know what happened with that one. Let's see. Something happened with the sales order. We open that. Oh, so this ship to be determined, it has been changed, so you're gonna make it shipping ground. Okay, so when you change the location, it also changes the ship hire. Okay, yeah, that's why it was not showing there. Okay, so then we go here, so then UPS, now it is coming, right? So we got a $22 rate. So now we're gonna
we need to get rate again.
For what? Oh, rate? No, rate is fine. Oh, rate, yeah, rate might get changed. Yeah, let's see. Maximum declared amount for the selected service was exceeded. Maximum value of this service is 50,000 USD for declared value for the shipping. What is the declared value? Why declared value coming so much? Declared value only 180. Okay, so somehow it didn't go. Okay, the freight rate is all same. Okay, now we'll process that. Okay, ship to address unknown. The shipping information generated following order. So already we generated the order. Okay, now it should automatically print the label, right? But as we don't have a printer configuration, it cannot send the print command to the printer. Okay, so it is writing a log file. Okay, it is writing a log file in Softran logs UPS lib. Okay, so today is October 13. Okay, so here we can see that our processing the account address collection. So we got a tracking number. Okay, This is the tracking number we got. Okay, so the total option charge has been changed, so it is a $25 $18 change. Negotiate total $21.81. Okay, so it is done, right? So it's supposed to print the print level at the same time. Now if you want to see how many has been processed, you go here, then you can see them, right?
Right.
Okay, you can see them again. Okay, and then if they say that okay, no, it is not been shipped, or it is we want to void the package, we did a mistake, so then you select one and then void shipment. Okay, that then it will
Okay.
cancel the shipment to the UPS. Okay, and then when it is shipped done, then when you receive everything, then you can say marked shipped, then you select and mark shipped. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so that is the whole process. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that's it. And then only things we just need to configure here, the carrier, the printers. Okay, UPS, this is the printer name, we should have to change it and see that whether we changing the name for the printer, it sends the print command to the printer or not. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so you can see in the log file, you will be seeing everything what it is doing. Okay, let's see the last transaction, what is happened. Okay, so set level success, then ground, bill option, account, set payment size, shipping with the country from Newark to Newark, shipping with country from certificate success, server is UPS, the 3, checking address, classification address is unknown. Okay, so tracking number charge, so okay, printing level complete number 1. Okay, so the Zebra printer error, so it could not open this thing. Okay, so we could not print. Okay,
Yeah. Pulling label error.
yeah, okay. So how do we configure the printer? So you go to the control panel and see the printer setup, copy the printer name from there and paste it here. This is the carrier maintenance screen. Okay,
Okay.
and then this is the thing. So there is another project that you need to know it. So that is the UPS Leap project. Okay, it is in, yeah, I'm just going to open and show you. So you need to distribute 2 files. Okay, with foundation, you need to distribute 2 files with foundation. Okay, and then you need to run a and you need to run something to do the registration. Okay, so that is it here, UPS BAT edit. Okay, so to get it working, so no, this one, yeah, so this is the line, this is the one you need to do registration. Okay, I will just give you this. So this is the line you need to run to register that UPS DLL. Okay, it is not a registration actually, it is just putting into the creating a TLB file. Okay, so you need to distribute TLB file will automatically will generate so this is the template library file, automatically with this code it will generate, and then you put this one in a foundation directory. Okay, so I will send this to you right now. Okay,
We are converting C# DLL to be used in
C++.
foundation, right?
Yeah, it is using yes, yeah. So those codes are already been written, all tested recently. Okay. So and yeah, that's it. And I did most of the configuration is done onto the reliable server. Okay, just you need to test the whole things with a sandbox. When you are done with the sandbox, then we need to make another DLL again to change it to production. So how do we do that? We right click in here. Okay, here or where? Forgotten. I think here. Okay, then you go settings. You see that all the web service is configured here. Okay, so we are actually doing package shipment service, right, and rate service. Okay, so the rate service doesn't work with a sandbox. It works only with the real live server. So that's why the live server is online tools.ups.com/web services/rate, and this one you see that wcups.com. so this is the sand side. Okay, sandbox side. Okay, yeah, sandbox side. So when you are actually trying to distribute to the customer for live company and then going to work in a real environment, so you need to change this .com to onlinetools.com. Okay, only this portion.
Okay.
Other than everything stays same. Okay. Okay, so this is the code. I'll check in my code so that you can also get it and build it. Okay, and I think that's it. We don't have any other things. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the reliable fire. So from yesterday you go back to their server. Yeah, to connecting to the server is not easy. So they have a different screen connect. You need. I might send you the URL so that you can go there and then log in. It should be again. I think it should be into the CRM. Let's see. I think it is in CRM too. Reliable. Yeah, reliable fire and safety. No. Okay, so this is the information how do you connect. So whenever you try with this username and password, this one and this one, Brian will get a mail. Okay, and then you have to provide him you have to ask him, okay, send me the code. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so you try to from tomorrow and see that how you can make it, and then if it is really not going well, so then I can help you again little bit initially. Okay,
You can send me this video. I will watch it again.
yeah, I'll send you the video. Let me come. So I'll upload this video into the YouTube. Okay, we have a Softran channel in YouTube. Okay, I'll upload there. Okay, then I'll send you the link. Okay, good, that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.